Okay, let's open your gifts.
Yeah.
What do you say to the guys?
Thank you.
Okay, let's open first this big one.
Yeah.
Okay, this is from Ninang.
Angel.
No, Ninang Bianca. Open now. Okay. Okay. Go, baby. Go, baby. Oh, 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 oh. What do you think is this? Can you, what do you think is this? Babe.
The excavator. With many more people inside.
You think?
This
What is this?
a toy excavator.
Oh, wow! What do you say to Ninang Bianca?
But she bring me a toy. I can drive this, mommy.
You can try that?
Yeah, but
Ninang Bianca.
yeah, let's call.
Oh, yes, what do you say to Ninang Bianca?
Mommy, let's call daddy.
Okay, wait first. What do you say to Ninang Bianca? Thank you, Ninang Bianca.
Okay, Ninang Bianca. Wow, ma. This is actually cool. Wow. This is the size. Wow. Wow, ma. This is a cool excavator. An excavator.
Wait again. This is a gift from Ninang Leilani. Okay.
Let's open it.
Okay. Oh, what is it? What is this? No, it's a shoes, babe. What do you say to Ninang? What do you say to your Ninang? Wait lang. This one first. This is from Ninang Angel. This is from Ninang Angel. Tita Angel pala. Come here first. Open. Open your gift.
Big box. And then open this.